I wanted to show you and your parents how you can go to thinkcentral.com so that you can access some of the math materials that we use at school and some extra tools that you can use to help you. So as you can see, I'm at thinkcentral.com. I'm going to click on mathematics on the side here, and then I'm going to scroll down to where I see Math in Focus. Math in Focus is the program that we use. And because I have already gone to Think Central several times, you can see that already plugged in for me is the state of Illinois, our Downers Grove School District 58, and that we're at Whittier. And if you push remember my information, it's going to keep those three things already there for you, and it'll make life a little bit easier when you come back to this website. But for the purpose of today's activity, I'm going to actually log in as a student. So I'm going to use Emily's password. I don't think she'll mind. She's so nice. And luckily for her, her password doesn't show, so it's all safe. So your username and password is in your assignment notebook, just in case you forget. Go ahead and push login. It's going to right away welcome you, and make sure that your name is up here. And then really what you want to always go to is my library. Things to do, once in a while I'll put assignments in there that you can do at home, but for the most part I'm just going to be using my library, and the test scores, we're not going to use that component. And in the library I have put some things in here that might help you. This is actually probably more helpful for your parents. If your parents need to kind of see some of the things that we're doing, it kind of gives them some background. And this one over here is actually your math textbook, the hard copy one, or the hardcover one, I mean. So you can kind of be looking at some of the chapters. If I click on it, you'll see it will bring up our math textbook, and you can kind of look for some of the things that we've been doing. This is for chapter 1, and we're on chapter 3 right now. So if you type in page like 79 down here, it will show you what our textbook is telling us about regrouping. And if I X out of that, perfect. Then I'm back on this screen. And down here are some interactive, they're more like games, and will be helpful as well. And I think it does do it kind of by category: number sense, numbers in operation, measurement. So you kind of have to play along with that. And this is the workbook. So in school, we only do so many pages of our workbook. And so if you want some extra practice, you might want to print some of these pages out to help you at home. And the one I want to do today is this one. This is some tools that you can use to help you. And for today's purpose, since we're working on addition, I'm going to go to the base 10 blocks. And then what's cool here, you can see this is our menu. So we're in the base 10 blocks. And there's lots of activities we can do it. We can just show what the number looks like using place value. We can compare numbers, which we've done before. And for today, we are going to be adding them. And then there's all different kind of things here. So if you look at the bottom of the screen, this is if we're just working with our ones, working with our tens, working with our hundreds. And I wish they had a thousands one, because we are able to do thousands, but we can just do the hundreds for today. So let's say we had to add the number, and I'm going to write this down so I don't forget it, 342 plus 268. So I'm going to grab 300, 1, 2, 3, 42 I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2, and you can see over here it says 342, down here it says 342, and I wanted to add to that 268, 1, 2, 200s, I need 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I need 8 ones, and again I can double check over here that I have the right number. So let's pretend your homework said add 342 plus 268. You can see over here that that's really what you are adding. And then you want to go ahead and you want to line those up so it looks nice and pretty. And now I want us to add them together. And when it adds them together, what you're going to notice is that these combine, because when we're adding, we're trying to see how many we have all together. So add All right, so let's go ahead. And it doesn't tell us the answer because that's what we're trying to figure out. So let's go ahead and count up all our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, I know that 10 is a 2-digit number. And in my ones place, I can only have a 1-digit number. So I need to go ahead and I need to regroup. And let's see what happens. All right, so now I'm left with 0 ones. And this guy came over here, and I wish I could move him, but I can't. But that's that 1 that we place over our 10 spot when we regroup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And again, I have 11 tens, which would really be 110. So I can't put an 11 in the 10 spot, so I need to go ahead and regroup. Now watch what happens this time. I'm left with that 1 from my 11, and the other one goes over here. So now I have over here 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. So my answer would be 610. So I'm going to, because I have 610. And so when I write that answer here, and if I click check, oh, I did terrific. So this would be a great way to kind of check some of your math homework and really allow you to visualize what we're doing when we're regrouping. I hope this is something that you can use at home and will be helpful for you.